Welcome back to Spectrum News 1, everybody. I'm meteorologist Robert Suhr, taking you through another look at your weather on the ones. It's been about a month since the first day of summer, the longest day of the year. We've been slowly losing a little bit of daylight each day since then, and that really adds up. You see, through the month of July here in the tri-state, we lose about 30 minutes of daylight. Now, the further and closer you get toward the poles, that loss of daylight really increases as opposed to the closer you get toward the equator, where that lessens. And zooming it in here, you can see firmly in that 30-minute loss of daylight here through July. You look at sunset, it's not as dramatic. You know, first day of summer, our sunset was 8:03 or 8:08. Today it's 8:03, but we're losing about over a minute, 90 seconds or so of daylight per day now. And that's only going to accelerate as we get into August or so, which is only a little under 2 weeks away. And the loss of daylight, that means you probably won't have as much time to wash your car. Well, Mother Nature probably will be doing that, or has already done that for you the last couple of days with those shower and thunderstorm chances. I wouldn't waste my time next couple of days. Just not worth spending the money or the effort to do it. Average temperatures rest of today with humidity and heat index values close to but not above 100 degrees, as we'll continue to see a lot of those showers and storms bubbling up, mainly along and south of the parkways, I think, as this boundary continues to sort of dance around us over the next 24 hours or so. The sun sets, we lose a lot of that activity. There are some signs that another thunderstorm complex may roll through here in the overnight hours. We'll see if that actually happens or not, but once again for our Saturday, we'll do it all over again with those afternoon and evening chances for showers and storms. One or two of those storms might be strong enough to become severe, mainly a damaging wind threat if we get any throughout the day today, but that is a very, very low chance. Temperatures right about where we should be for this time of the year, right around 90 degrees. You see everybody here topping out right about 88 to 90 with those heat index values upper 90s. Muggy tonight, mid 70s by the time we wake up on our Saturday morning. And you look at the extended forecast, yeah, this rinse and repeat pattern is going to continue, but there are signs as we get toward the second half of next week, it could turn brutally hot. Temperatures flirting with 100, heat index values well above 100.